welcome back again to another beautiful day. In today's video, I want to share with you the difference between keyword and tag. Many content creators, they really get confused between tag and the keyword, but I'm here to make you understand the rules can help you to boost out your YouTube channel on your YouTube CEO that can reach good audience. So guys, if you're interested, let's get started by me breaking down the difference between tag and the keyword, okay? And also where you can put them. So now you can see now I am here inside my husband YouTube channel, and I want to work on the keyword and the tag on this particular channel. So now the point I'm going to show out here is the tag. The tag actually will give you a visibility for you to be able to organize your video, and also the viewers can also see your tag. Another thing you need to put in mind, the difference is keyword. The keyword actually the word that you're going to add in your CEO. Those are the things that are going to be ranking in the CEO section. So my beautiful people, where can you add your tag? And that is how we come in this place and this channel now, where to add the keyword and where to add the tag. So now for the keyword, you will see here in the channel. So go to this your channel and then click channel, and then you will see here the keyword. It's very important because when you go inside your studio and fix this thing, it will help your channel to really rank very well. Example, I have some keyword which I have already put together. I'm going to copy and paste them here, depend on my kind of content I am using. So now this is my note. I always put my things in the note, and I'm going to copy it and then paste it in where I need it to put. Those are the keyword. Okay, now I will start putting it here is my keyword. Again, I will go back to my notes. Some people note their own on the book, while my own I note it on my pad. Okay, so it's very important for you to note down your keywords. So these are the keywords I'm going to use for today. Now again, I will continue putting them, adding all the keywords as much as I can. It should reach 500 keywords. Okay, those keywords should be correspond to what your topic is all about. Please make note that your keyword should be exactly with what you are doing in your YouTube channel. Okay, so actually some people get confused. The best practice for you to get growth, like now I'm doing this one because I did not do it before, and then I was doing it in some other of my channel, and I decided to come here also and do it on my husband channel. So if you are not yet subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to this Pastor Kachi channel, and you will really get a good update on this particular channel. So let's go back. I'm still adding up my keyword. Okay, after adding this keyword, I'm going to share with you where you can add your tag also. It's not because of your normal place which you know to add the tag, but if you add your keyword here, it will help you to rank. So now I'm going to share the difference between tag and the keyword. Okay, please make sure that you subscribe, you like and share. And as we are still doing what we know how to do the best, still adding up the keyword, so now after you're done adding up the keyword as you want, please make sure that you save it. Okay, because when you save it, it will really come up. Okay, now this keyword actually is very good for you to be discovered. Okay, for ranking in search results. And also adding your keyword, it will really help your title, description, and your video script. Okay, most of the people like to put it on their title. So now let's go to tag. Okay, now we are going to place of tag. It's the same thing on the setting. You go to setting and then you will see this default. Okay, upload. Okay, Then when you go this upload, you will see the title, you will see the description, and you will see the tag. Like I said before, all of them are working together. The tag, the description, and the keyword. That will help you rank very, very well. Let's say you are talking about something, then you write your tag here, or you write your title, and then inside the description also make sure that you mention some tag. Okay, example, in this kind of place I will mention some tag. Let me go back and then I will put hashtag. Okay, let me go back here and then here, let me say hashtag, then the keyword which I used before is this one. Okay, then again I will go back and say hashtag, then you put what is necessary to be put. Let me go back and pick one of the keyword or the tag. I can still use it as my own tag. Okay, so now this will help you to help your video boosting. So at this place now is a place of tag, is made also 500 tags. So my beautiful people, know where you want to add your tag. So guys, as we are still on this, go back to your setting. In this place on your setting, you will see your upload. Okay, in this upload, that is where you get your own tag. As I said before, that I have already put some tag already, and also it's good for you to put some tag inside your description here, depend on the kind of content that you want. Let's say that I have some tag here. Okay, which is the same thing you are going to put as a tag. Okay, as I told you before, I have already put in that place, and then this is the second one I'm going to use now. Let me just copy all of them at the same time and then copy and paste. Copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. Now I have what I need at this moment. So how many tags I have now? I need to make sure that those tags are not too much. Okay, so some tag, I'm going to remove some tag, and then I'm going to remove this tag. So in this one now is going to help you to rank. Now I will save it. So anytime you save it, you go back and actually add some other tags which you need to add. Like now I will come back here and add this tag. Okay, I'm going to add this tag here if it's possible. Good. Then again I will go back and add the other tag. So I will just keep adding up that until the time is like, until you are satisfied with the kind of tag you want to put. Oh, sorry, I removed one without knowing. So I will just keep adding tag. So when you are done adding your tag, that is how you are going to do that. Thank you so much, my beautiful audience, for always coming back and watching this video. If this video helpful to you, kindly subscribe, like, share, and see you again in my next video. If you never yet subscribe or join our community, please do as well by joining our community too. Thank you and God bless you. See you again in my next video. Watch the next video up here.